Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Science for Everyone. Hope you all are doing well. I am announcing a 2 weeks hands-on webinar on metagenomics data analysis using Linux and R programming. And in this video, I will be sharing the complete plan and the detailed modules that will be discussed in this 2 weeks hands-on workshop. So basically, this workshop will consist of 3 main modules that will be covered in 2 weeks. The first module is Introduction to Metagenomics. The second is the data analysis, and the third is data visualization. So basically, these 3 modules will cover the entire 2 weeks hands-on workshop. Okay, so basically, I have divided these 3 modules into 12 days, and in each day we will cover a specific topic and a hands-on training. So in the day first is basically Introduction to Metagenomics. We will discuss that what is basically metagenomics, and we will also discuss the study design and its application. So basically, this will be the theoretical part. So in the day first, you will came to know that what is the concepts of metagenomics and what are the different study designs. Okay, in the second day, we will discuss the introduction to NGS technology, the next generation sequencing. So basically, metagenomics, the data that is being generated from the metagenomic samples are basically through the NGS technology. So you should know that what is basically NGS technology and how the data is produced. And we will discuss and understand the FASTQ files that are being generated from the samples. And also we will explore different databases where the samples and the data is present. Okay, in the day third is the introduction to Linux. Basically, metagenomics data is analyzed through Linux and R programming. So you should know the concepts of Linux, that how we are going to analyze the data. So before analyzing, you should know the basics of Linux programming. So we will discuss the basic commands and navigation and the base scripting, so that you could know the know-how of Linux. And we will also discuss different environments in Linux. Okay, so in the day 4 is you will be you will come to know about the data. You will also come to know about the scripting and the Linux program. So after that, we will start the data retrieval and pre-processing. So we will retrieve the data, the metagenomic data from the databases, and we will also perform pre-processing. And theoretical understanding and practical implementation of the data pre-processing will be given, and we will try to give you a hands-on training to pre-process the data, and the data will also be provided to you. After that, in the day 5, taxonomic profiling. Now, after when you get known to the data and you pre-process your data, the metagenomics data, the samples. So after that, we will try to find the content of bacteria or the viruses inside that samples. Okay, so basically this is known as taxonomic profiling. So we will discuss the concepts of taxonomic profiling, that what is basically this concept, and how to use Metaflame 3 or how to use different tools to perform taxonomic profiling. So in simple, taxonomic profiling is we want to see that which type of bacteria is present in our sample and what is the quantity of that bacteria, and understanding the output. So basically, when we analyze our data, so we will teach you that how to interpret your outputs. After that, day 6 is introduction to R programming. So basically, these all modules are connected. So after that, when we get the taxonomic profiling, so R programming is used to visualize the data and to further analyze the data. So you should know about the concepts of R programming, how to use it. So R basics, data types, and packages will be discussed. And after that, we will load the taxonomic data and we will perform different plotting to understand the data. After that, in the day 7, we will perform association analysis. So basically, when we get the taxonomic profiling data, so we should know that how to associate the bacterial counts with the phenotypic data. So this is a very important analysis that is being done on the taxonomic profiling. So how to associate taxonomic profiling with the phenotypes, this will be taught to you. And after that, hands-on training will also be given to you, and we will provide different data types to you people to analyze the data all on your own, inshallah. Understanding the results, different plots will be generated, and we will show and we will teach you that how to interpret the plots, and logic interpretation will be given. After that, day 8, metagenome assembly. So this is also a very crucial step. And after that, after performing the association analysis, we will be proceeding to another step of a very important step of metagenomic data analysis. This is basically metagenome assembly. So we will be using the FASTQ files to assemble the reads and to make different contexts from the data. Why we will be performing that, this will be teach you in detail, inshallah. And we will also try to give you hands-on training. So we will discuss the theoretical background of metagenome assembly and introduction to KBase. KBase is a very important database and tool that is basically a platform that is being used to perform metagenome data analysis. So we will give you the introduction to KBase, how to use KBase, and we will be performing the metagenome assembly using KBase. and practical implementation, how it can be done through Linux and how it can be done to KBase, all will be shown to you and teach to you, and hands-on training will also be given. After that, day 9, metabolite profiling. Now, when we get the taxonomic profiling, the association analysis, the assembly, then we will try to link the results and we will perform metabolite analysis. We will check that what type of metabolites are being produced by our bacteria that has been shown in the association analysis. So we will try to find the metabolites from our metagenomics data, and practical implementation will be given and will be shown, and hands-on training will be given, and we will be using antiSMASH. After that, data analysis in RStudio. Now we gathered a lot of data, and on the day 10, although you will be having knowledge of RStudio and R programming, after that all the data will be analyzed through RStudio. Different plottings will be given, will be shown, and we will plot our data using different codes and different scripts. And also we will be performing correlation analysis and different other stuff. So correlation analysis will be shown visualizing through heat maps, and this all will be done on day 10. After day 11, biomarker identification. After that, when we perform taxonomic profiling, association analysis, metabolite production, assembly, and everything, then we will be trying to find biomarker identification. So for that, we will be associating metabolite profiling with the phenotypes, and we will be trying to understand the effects. Okay, so basically this is a complete project-based learning. After that, we will be doing some logical interpretation. Now, on the day 12 is basically connecting dots in research. So after that, we cover the important steps of the metagenomics data analysis. So then we will connect all the dots, and we will also be doing some literature review. We will be discussing our results, and we will be trying to figure out that what else can be done with the results. Okay, so this will be a type of discussion, critical discussion with you. Okay, so after that, this is the complete 12 days hands-on training. At least from this training, I'm telling you that you will come to know about that. What is metagenomics? How can the data be analyzed? So I'm telling you that in this 12 days to 14 days, basically, although you will not get mastered in metagenomics data analysis, but at least you will have the know-how of it, that what is basically this concept and how to analyze our data. So from this workshop, you will get the concept of metagenomics. You will come to know about the Linux program, Linux operating system, the R programming, the plotting, the correlation analysis, and a lot of tools will be introduced to you. And the main thing is you will be discussing your queries with the experts. So basically, we will try to impart a lot of knowledge to you. It will be according to your queries. Now, the date and time. So basically, it will start from 31st June to 13th July. We have finalized the dates, and the time will be 5:30 to 7 o'clock. So we will be having 2 Zoom sessions online. We will adjust the timing according to the participants. But for now, we will be conducting we have planned that it will be from 5:30 to 7 o'clock. Okay, and it will be conducted through Zoom. Now, so for registration, if you are interested by these modules and you want to register, so just scan this QR code, and you will go to a specific online form, and you can submit you can fulfill the requirements, and you can get the participation. So the registration fees is basically for the local participant, it is 7,000 PKR, and for the international it is 40 USD. And the last day of apply is 28 June 2025, just a day before the starting of the workshop. We have announced a special discount for the first 10 seats, although we have got 4 to 5 seats till now. And but still we are having some seats for the discount, so you can get the 2,000 discount, and for the international students you can get $10 of discount. For more information, you can contact us at these numbers. You can also WhatsApp me through these numbers. You can also call us, and if you want to mail us, so you can go to the omicsnexus.info@gmail.com, and you can mail us your queries about this workshop. Basically, this workshop is presented by Omics Nexus. Basically, this is a company. My company is Bioinformatics, accessible for everyone. So basically, you can just go to the LinkedIn and drop your message there. Okay, you can also follow this page, because I'm announcing different types of workshop related to bioinformatics on monthly basis, so you can get connected to it. So inshallah, I hope you understand the modules. If you have any question, just comment me out or just mail me. Okay, so we are looking forward to seeing you, and inshallah we will try to, if you get participation, so we will try our best to impart the knowledge to you people, inshallah. Thank you very much. God bless you.